The Metrotech 810dx is a utility locator used to find wires and pipes buried underground. The 810dx operates at 83.1 kHz, which is ideal for water and gas utilities, which generally use larger pipes with bell housings and gaskets. The 810dx's higher frequency is also good for locating underground small diameter drop wires and inducing signals through the soil when direct connection is not an option. These 810dx's receive a fair amount of abuse in the field, but at ERD we provide a full repair and rebuild before shipment back to our customer. The video shows our expert repair technician field testing the unit. He then performs a series of location tests based on known buried objects on our property. As with all repairs we perform, ERD focuses on the details after the repair to ensure the unit is operating within specification. ERD repairs a wide array of locators, including the early 810 model, plus the newer VM810. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.